Hi, Chad Crouch with MarineMax, and today we're here at Lake of the Ozarks on the 2019 Azimut 43 Atlantis. Without a doubt, this is one of the top in its class. The 43-foot class, there's not another boat that gives you the options, the ability for performance, and the sleeping accommodations that this boat gives you. So let's kind of walk through it. I'll give you a little explanation of what we have here. The 43 Atlantis is full of options. Starting from the transom of the boat, you've got a hydraulic swim platform on this boat option. You have the trunk, which will open up, which you can see in some of the other video that we have, as well as being able to put a tender, or you can store your fenders, lines, yetis, and your lily pad or stack mats. Very massive amount of storage there. You also have the optional passerelle, which will extend out the transom to give you the ability to enter and exit the boat from a dock or from a cliff, or the kids could use it as a diving board. As we walk around, you have very wide gunnels to get around the boat, both starboard and port. Another thing that Azimut did very well was kind of use two different variables when they came with the transom sun pad. As you see it now, it's in the seating capacity. With the flip of the backrest, turns into a huge sun pad. So 3 people can lay out in the sun while you're anchored out. When we're looking at the cockpit of the 43 Atlantis, enormous amounts of space. Feels much larger than its nearly 14-foot beam will give you. As you can see, you've got nice U-shaped seating. You've got storage underneath both the starboard side and transom side. You have a nice table that can actually turn into a dinette if you've got more than 4 passengers for dinner or hors d'oeuvres or lunch. You've got teak throughout the cockpit as well as on the swim platform and the walk-through. Gives it a very nice luxurious look. To the port side, we have our wet bar. You have grill, Kenyon, which is a electric grill, very easy to use and very easy to clean up. You've also got a icebox refrigerator as well as an ice maker. So you have best of all worlds if you're out entertaining on a Saturday afternoon. As we continue through the cockpit, you're going to see the nice expansive hardtop, also an aft bimini coming off the aft area of the hardtop. You've got a very large sunroof. So just like today, it's a gorgeous 75-degree day here at the lake. We can open it up. You can have sun on a very large settee to the port side. What's unique is you've got very sporty captains and companion seats at the helm. Also with this 43, we have a full array of Raymarine electronics, as well as your Volvo display. Also a chain counter, which is an option that you normally don't see here at the lake, which makes it easy when dropping your chain. Also, bow thruster, and obviously the IPS joystick. This boat's optioned with the Volvo 400 diesels, 400 horsepower apiece, stern drives. So it's going to give you a cruise in the 35-mile-an-hour range with a wide open throttle in the 41 to 43-mile-an-hour range. So performance is incredible with this boat. You have a fuel tank, 237 gallons, which gives you a great range when cruising in that 30 to 35-mile-an-hour range. Also in the cockpit, this is optioned with the optional cockpit air and heat. So you've got air conditioning and climate control throughout the cockpit. Let's go ahead and head on down into the cabin. As we enter into the salon area, you'll see over to our starboard side, we have an enormous galley area. You're going to have a upright refrigerator and freezer, very easy to get in and out of. You're going to have overhead storage, microwave. This boat also comes optioned with your china, as well as your flatware. You're going to have a 2-burner cooktop, also has optional fiddles so that you can cook while you're underway. It's also got storage underneath the sink, underneath the cooktop, as well as storage underneath the main distribution panel. And speaking of main distribution panel, it's very simple, very easy, and very user-friendly. Very well marked, as well as having access to your generator controls and your main battery breakers. As you can see throughout the salon to the port side, you have a wonderful seating area for probably 6 to 8 people, as well as a very, very nice dinette here in the middle. For our dinette or couch over on the port side, it also will convert into a nice bed for a couple of people. So all you have to do, it's pneumatic, push it down. You've got a filler cushion, tighten it back down. So you've got a nice sleeping accommodations. This particular boat has the warm gray oak interior, lightens the boat up. You'll see some very large windows throughout the boat, so it's going to allow for a lot of natural light. It doesn't feel like you're in an express cruiser. You're going to have lots of storage. There is your crystal, which comes with the boat, and then more storage on the overhead bins. Again, hardwood floors throughout, access panels to get to some of your major systems. When we look forward in the bow for the master stateroom, you're going to see a wonderful layout and lots of, to me, space storage. Over on our port side, you're going to see a very large hanging locker. It's got access to your satellite TV receiver, which this boat does come with. You're going to have overhead storage all the way around both starboard and port. You're also going to have flat screen TV, Bose sound bar, air conditioning controls. Also over on the starboard, you have another locker, as well as access to your in-suite head and a separate shower, which is vitally important for a lot of people. As we walk through the salon, you'll see that we have a second head that can be used as a day head, or will give access to your aft or to your mid cabin, which we will go ahead and walk into now. Now we're in the mid cabin, and this is a massive mid cabin. You've got 3 berths, 1 to port, 2 to starboard, which is a great layout. There's not another 43 Express out there that gives you the capabilities this 43 does. You have a full-size hanging locker aft. You will have storage underneath both berths, as well as underneath the port side berth, as well as 2 drawers underneath it. You also have a flat screen TV, another Bose sound bar, and it will also swivel to give access to the starboard side passengers. You also have overhead storage throughout. Just a fantastic layout. I just don't know another boat out there that gives you this much punch in a 43-foot Express. We're back up in the cockpit of the 43 Atlantis. Also, you have the wide gunnels, so you can transverse both port and starboard. And also you have a double, triple wide recessed sun pad, as well as stainless steel cup holders, and obviously your windlass, which can be controlled either from the helm or from foot controls up on the bow. Without a doubt, this 43 Atlantis gives you the power, the ability for seating and entertaining, the ability to overnight. Everything that everyone wants here at Lake of the Ozarks, the 43 Atlantis gives it to you. So please, give us a shout, come by and see us. We're here on Bagnell Dam Boulevard, or call me, Chad Crouch, 573-434-9558, or come see us at MarineMax.com.